1980s, necessity being the mother of invention, I had to design a bench that I could clamp planks down to. Well, I scarfed them with this kind of crazy scarfing jig that fit on a radial arm saw. It all worked really well, and I could put a scarf in about 30 seconds. I never used the crazy scarfing contraption that fits on the radial arm saw again. It was kind of hairy and scary, even for me. But the bench, that was here to stay. This is that bench, dinged and scarred from decades of use. It made all the other workbenches in my shop antiquated and obsolete. Built kind of like a ladder, with a tray at the bottom and a backstop at the back. You can clamp things to it in every different direction. Tools, clamps, and stuff can be kept in the tray close at hand. Sometimes we can end up with too much stuff. I built 2 of these benches 8 foot long so that they would fit in the back of a pickup truck. This way I could put a cutoff saw or the radial arm saw between the benches. When you want to saw something or drill a hole in something, you can just do that without drilling a hole in the bench. The boatswain bench was specifically designed for planking up the sides of boats. When I cut out the planking, I put these sacrificial inserts in place in every other bay of the bench. The inserts are 3/4 of an inch thick. They have a 3/8 rabbet all the way around that locks them in place, and they stand proud 3/8 of an inch. With these inserts in place, I can clamp the plank so that it doesn't move, and then saw it out without putting saw marks in the bench. I have cut out literally thousands of planks on these benches. After the plank is cut out, it is set into the vices so that I can plane the saw marks out and plane the bevels in. If the plank is too short to go between the vices, it can be clamped very easily to the vertical edge of the bench. It is also good to be able to clamp the plank into place, to shape it, to cup it, or hollow it. The boatswain workbench has become an indispensable part of my shop. I don't know how I ever got along without these benches. I use it all the time, for everything. We've built and kept some of these benches portable so that we can use them out on the job site. I have helped my apprentice and people that have worked with me build their own boatswain bench. Many people have said to me, "Wayne, that's a really good idea. You should share that." Okay, here you go. A video tutorial on how to build a boatswain bench is available on our NPT TV Vimeo OTT channel. This is our subscription channel that is kept free of ads so that you can learn without interruption. These videos are brought to you by the Maritime Preservation Trust. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, visit our website, and become a member of the Maritime Preservation Trust.